Hello everyone and welcome to the 22nd PHP tutorial in my series of PHP tutorials. Well, before we start, put a slash and a greater than sign here, and right here. And now that we have a basic form called register, and it'll post something, and the thing is going to post is everything stored in these variables: username, pass, and pass confirm. So and it'll post it to register.next.php, which we'll be making in our next tutorial. So now we only need one thing, and that is an email, and to make the user confirm his email too. So create a new paragraph. Oh, well, actually, to save some time, we're just going to copy this and we're going to type email address. But we don't need a password type for this. It's just going to be basic text, and the name should be email, the size 15, max length. People likely they have emails much longer than 20 characters, so we're going to change that to 65. And we're going to have confirm email address to, and again input, and the type is a normal text field. Its name should be email underscore confirm for email confirmation. Max length, again, that should be 65, and remember to put it in quotation marks, and the value should be nothing. And well, there you go. Oh yeah, and by the way, you also gotta remember to finish off the form, and you do that like this. Okay, so now that we got all this, I am just going to recap it. Oh well, actually, first of all, save it. Now go into your PHP folder that should be located on your desktop. Then open the register document right here, and you'll be able to see what we got. We got a field saying username, Benjamin, and we got a field saying password, blah blah blah, confirm password, blah blah blah, email address, blah blah blah. And well, but still we have no way to submit it, so we're going to have a submit button, and the way of doing this is simply adding a paragraph tag again, even though we don't need any text. So actually we don't need this paragraph tag, but we're going to need a input tag. Input type equals submit, and its name should be submit again, and its value should be submit. So now if you try and save it, and going into your PHP folder and opening register, and now you'll have a submit button too. And as you see now, if you hit the submit button, you'll be taken to register.next.php here in the address bar, but that file is not existing. So I'm just going to recap everything that is inside our register.html page, and then we'll finish off this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll be building register next. So go into your notepad, with Register.html open. And now once again I get this Win32 exception. And now, thanks to my mom, we just got interrupted, so I don't know how far we got, but as I think I was saying, I just got some, Notepad++ exceptions, so my Notepad++ will close down. I don't know why this always happens in my videos. Anyway, if this ever happens to you, then just click OK to everything that pops up and open up Register again. So now that my computer finally did that, I can start explaining again. Well, first of all, we got an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag. And this will just open and close a piece of HTML code. And then inside that code we got a form called Register, and it will post all of the information you type in the username field, in the password field, in the confirm password field, in the email field, and in the confirm email field. All of that will be posted to the register.next.php file. And then we have a username, then it will display username on screen, and then it will have a input type called text. It will have a regular text field called username, and this means that everything typed in this text field will be stored in the variable username. It has the measurements 15, and the max characters that are allowed to be typed in this text field is 20, and it has no value in it. Then it's the same thing with password. The type is just password, so everything you type will be protected. And the name of this variable is pass, so the password to type in will be stored in a variable called pass. And again, the measurements is 15. The max amount of characters that will be allowed to be typed in this password field is 20, and it has no value in it so far. And then we have a confirm password field with the same the exact same thing in it as the password field, but it's a password type, but the name is pass confirm for password confirmation. And in this variable pass confirm, all of the password confirmation values will be stored. So what you type in the field that is standing next to confirm password will be stored in the variable pass confirm. And its measurements is 15. It has a max length of 20, and its value has nothing in it. Then we have an email address, and again that is just basic text that everyone can see, and it will be stored in a variable called email, and its measurements is 15, and it can maximum be written 65 characters to it, and it has no value. Then we have confirm email address, which is also a text input type, and everything you type in this field will be stored in a variable called email confirm for email confirmation, and its max length is 65, and it has no values in it at all. Then we have a input type called submit. We have a input type that is submit, and that is just a submit button, and the name of this button is submit, and the value, which means the text displayed on the button, is submit. And then down here we enter the form. And basically that's everything that we have in this file. So next time we'll start creating the register.next.php file. So I'll see you there.